So we're at the edge of the, oh my gosh, that looks crazy. Well, we're at the edge of the storm. It's looking snazzy in there. There's a few more storms over the lake, over that way. But you can't see them because they're very far away. Yeah, I mean, you can see the one that's kind of right there. If I brighten it up a little bit. Right there about. This little stuff is kind of happening over. Holy man, that looks crazy. Then it's like, you look over here and you're like, oh yeah, we're good. And then you go over here and then you're like, oh well, it's a storm and a half. Wasn't the worst storm I've ever experienced. Just a cardboard week. All its glory. I've experienced worse than this, but this storm looks insane over there, over that way. And if we go back over here, oh man, can you focus, please? Stuff over that way. And stuff over that way. Alright. Ooh, bird. Look at the bird. Look at that bird. There it goes. It's a squirrel. That's where squirrel eats stuff on the road. Hey, squirrel. Look at that squirrel. Big old squirrel. Alright, I'll see ya.